friends, let's go on a safari adventure. Are you ready to sing with us? Let's go on a safari ride. Animals on every side. Listen close and you will know every sound. Here we go, walking through the tall, tall grass. Who is that? Let's not walk past. It's a lion, big and strong. Let me hear you roar along. The lion goes roar. Can you roar too? Wow, I heard you. That's a big roar. A zebra with the stripes so bright, running in the golden light. He goes bray, bray, try it too. Can you bray the way zebras do? You did it! Bray, bray, bray! Let's go on a safari ride. Animals on every side. Listen close and you will know every sound. Here we go! Down by the river, mud and splash. A hippo makes a great big splash. He goes grunt, grunt, deep and low. Can you grunt like a hippo? Go! I heard that grunt, nice and low. Mochi wants to grunt along, but Mochi's grunt comes out all wrong. Silly Mochi, that's okay. You'll learn to grunt another day. You know what comes next, our favorite part. Clap your hands, it's time to start. Let's go on a safari ride. Animals on every side. Listen close and you will know every sound. Here we go! Great job singing safari sounds with us. Bye friends, see you soon!